So now let's see the next topic, changes around us. Here you can see many kind of changes happens around us. For example, growing of a tree. A tree, a small plant, small seed grows into a very big tree. And ripening of fruits. So a green mango changes into a yellow mango. How it happens? Something changes happens inside. Because of that change happens. So falling of leaves from the plant, that is also a change. And also night changes into day, day changes into night. And also summer, winter, all kinds of season happens around us. That is also a kind of change. And also your height and weight increase, hair grows, nail grows. So everything is part of a change that happens around us. So in science, we say it as change is the transition of a substance from one form to another form. There are two types of changes that happens around us. They are reversible change and irreversible change. First, we will see reversible change with an example. Here you can see this is an ice. So what happens here? This ice, when it's heated, it becomes into water. Again, this water on cooling, it will become into ice. So water on cooling becomes ice, and again when the ice is kept, again the water kept in the fridge, it becomes ice. Again this ice on heating becomes water. So this change is keep on changing, right? So this kind of change is called reversible change. Here you can see water on cooling becomes ice, ice on heating becomes water. So next change is here is irreversible change. Here we can see this is ash. So here this ash I got it by burning a piece of paper. So when this paper is burned, I got this ash. I cannot get this paper from this ash. So this kind of change is called irreversible change, where paper on burning becomes ash. Ash cannot reverse into paper. So we will see the difference between these changes. So when a substance turns into original state, that is, again this water melts into ice. So it becomes into its original state. So this change is reversible. But this substance cannot change into its original state. That is, paper cannot become into, ash cannot come back to its original state, paper. So this is irreversible change. Another difference is the chemical properties of the water. It do not change at all even if it becomes ice. But here the chemical properties of paper changes into ash, which will not again change back. Most of the physical changes are reversible, but here all the chemical changes are irreversible.